All right, hey guys, how are you guys? That was like too many guys in one sentence. Okay, let's start over.
Defying the stereotypes, breaking the rules. You can't tell me what is for me. Yeah. You got a lot more behind those pretty eyes, but you gotta let the world see. Yeah. So shake it up. Now is the time while you waiting. You're good enough. Now is the time while you waiting. What are you waiting on? Don't let them bring you down. If they ain't rocking with you, so what? Yeah, you're gonna be.
Hey everyone, how are you guys? And I just wanted to do an unboxing of It came. I know you see my ring light. I don't care. Look, so this thing came. I already have my brush out, my foundation brush out, because I have been waiting. You have no idea. The first time that this Younique foundation stick came out, it's like, it's sold out. This box is like, hold on. Here we go. This is so beautiful. We made it. Okay. So it comes, look at these kits. It comes with this purple Younique bag. And inside they have all these goodies. So I want to try first. All right, I have no idea what happened to that camera, but it just cut us off. So we're going to keep going. So I'm going into this strappy thing. Very nice. I'm literally going through the bag, okay? So we've got eyeshadow palette. And this is really awesome because you can switch these out. Look at this bad boy. They have that you could switch them out. And I love that because you don't have to keep buying different kind of cases. You could just buy the actual palettes and you just switch them out. Has a magnetic close. This, okay. This is the Epic mascara. This was the one that came out before the 4D. So this, I am definitely going to try this for you guys. This is the Younique 4D mascara, okay? Don't look at my broken nail. These are the palettes that they come with, the shadow palettes. I want to do a good look with that. A bunch of them. I have a bunch of those in there. This is what I wanted. Okay, so my face is already clean. It's already prepped. It's already primed. I want to see how this looks. Oh, actually, no. I didn't put a primer on. So I'm just going to go in without the primer. I've never done this before, like just live like this. I know you're going to get this video, but you know what I mean. This is just going to be what it is. So this is how it looks. Ooh, beautiful. My color is velvet. So if you have my complexion, that is what you'll use. You just pull, like you turn it and put that up a little bit. And I'm just gonna do it like this. We'll go 1, 2. For anybody who doesn't know why I'm not doing that right here, is because I'm over 30, babe. You don't put all that stuff caked up right there. Okay? And then I'll just do my bottom. So I did like a okay? Now let's see how this is gonna buff out. Let's see. Ready? Oh, wow. Oh my God. And it feels like I have nothing on. Wow. This feels really good. It smells good too. I don't know why. I feel like it smells like cocoa. I don't know. It smells like cocoa. And you are just buffing that jaunt right out. Just like that. Yes, I said jaunt. That's a word I picked up here in Lancaster. I'm not from Lancaster. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. Brooklyn. Shout out to Miles Morales, the latest Superman. How dare I? The latest Spider-Man. Okay. And but I got here and I remember hating that word. This is great. Oh my God, this feels so good. All right, and it's done. That's it. That's your whole face. I think the coverage feels absolutely light. I am a person who has very, very sensitive skin, and my skin is very, very oily. So this, and the reason I've been using Younique for years is because it keeps me the most matte for the longest amount of time. And I done went through everything. I went through Sephora, I went through MAC, I tried CVS, I went to Sally's, tried Collab. I tried a bunch of different foundations, and it's not that they're not good in their own right, but I have found that what my skin, with it being sensitive, with me being over 30, with it being oily, and just the sensitivity in my skin, it's lightweight, it's full coverage, and it takes 5 minutes. And I haven't even used the concealer or anything. This is great. This is great. I think I want to use the concealer, right? Should I, guys? Should I use the concealer? We're going to try that. Let's just go for it. I'll try the concealer. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to try my concealer is all dirty, but this is the Touch Concealer. I use Taffeta. I really, really enjoy that color. I think it looks the best on me, and I'm just gonna apply some onto my beauty blender. And let's see. Now, if you are over 30 years old, we cannot do our makeup like YouTubers, okay? We cannot cake all that on the side and cake all this on the side. We have fine lines, we have wrinkles that are coming in. We smile, we see crow's feet, right? We have smile lines. So we have to be very, very, how do I want to say this? Just be aware of your skin and your age, and the fact that you just shouldn't be putting it caked on. It's gonna make those things stand out. Highlight, concealer is used as a highlight. So for people over 30, we should be using it sparingly, okay? So I'm just gonna put it here in this corner, here in this corner, okay? And with Younique, what I absolutely love, I'm so sorry, this is looking so ratchet. It's like so dirty and so whatever, but I just wanted to do this real quick for you guys because I have to actually run. So with Younique, it's like a little goes a long, long way, okay? So I'm going to put a dot there. I'm going to put some over here. I like to do my line here. I'll put some here, and I'll put some there. Literally, all I did was just a little bit. So here we go. Ready? I want to show you something. I really, really love. Look at that. Oh my God. And I bring it all the way down. And what you want to do, I know it seems like weird, but make the ugly face, ladies. Don't worry about it. What you want to do is pick your eyebrows up and then put this part down like that. So you really get into the wrinkles, okay? You want to go in like this. And what you want to do, who's there?
Go.
Oh. And what you want to do, that was my mom, guys. So you want to go into the wrinkles like this, and you want to press that right in, okay? And go here, above the lid, and then bring it down to the cheek. Never go past your eyebrow. Some people bring that white all the way up, and it does not look good. It changes your face shape, okay? And so what you want to do is you just want to highlight, bring it down here, and you're not pulling down, you're pressing the product into your skin without pulling, because this skin right here is the most sensitive skin on your face. So you never want to go and pull all that down. You lift your eyebrows, you go like this, right? Ugly face, and press. You're just pressing that lightly and gently into that area. You line your nose. I'm going to wind up doing contour and everything for you guys. This is insane. Okay, let's just do it. What happened?
You should have done me.
I am going to do my mother. She said I should have done her. I am going to do my mother. Okay? Okay. Let's keep it together. So you just go into that crease. You're lifting your brows. You're pulling down on your face with your mouth. Okay? And we're not passing the eyebrow. Okay?
Do not pass go.
Do not pass go. Do not collect 200. Okay? And then according to your face shape, my face shape, I only highlight right here because my contour, remember, you always want to, the goal is to make an oval face. For those of you who have been blessed with oval faces, God bless you. We're all trying to be you, okay? Because the perfect, or at least in the makeup world, the perfect shape that you're trying to make your face is oval because you want everything to look symmetrical, okay? So here, we just do this, and then here, do the same thing, like that, and here. I like to get the sides of my mouth. All right, look, and y'all saw how much did I put? I didn't even, it was drops, literally drops that I put on my face. So this is literally how the coverage for Younique is. The coverage is amazing, okay? Look at that. I'm gonna try to get really, really close for you guys. Set it. Let's see if you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna lift my eyes, pull my face. Do you see that? See that? All right, look, I wanna show you something. See this? You press right in there. See that? You press right in there. So that's the highlight. I'm just going to go finish my face. I'm so sorry. I don't have time today, but I showed you the foundation. I showed you the concealer. Tomorrow, brows. Okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.
Defying the stereotypes, breaking the rules. You can't tell me what is for me.